how to use Uber app. So the first step is to simply download the Uber app on your mobile device, which is completely free. And then what you're gonna have to do next, when you open the app, you're gonna have to create your free account. And after that, you're gonna have to simply type in where you want to basically get, the destination. And after that, you're gonna be able to see different prices depending on the comfort that you want to get. So as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. So you're gonna have your current location, and then you're gonna have to choose where do you want to go. And after that, you're gonna be able to choose, as I said, the comfort that you want. So as you can see, you have Uber X. This is the cheapest one usually. Then you have Uber Green. These are electric cars. And then you have comfort. So these are somehow more high-end cars. So with basically they are newer cars. And then you're gonna have the option to choose how you like to pay. So you can pay with your credit card, or you can simply use cash in some countries. And then you're gonna have to simply click on choose Uber X, or depending on which one you chose. And basically that's all. You're gonna see on the map where is your driver, how long it's gonna take for your driver to get to you. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.